Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix KB5077241 update install error, showing your device is missing important security updates. First, open Settings, Windows Update, pause updates, resume updates, and check again. If still not working, open Services from Windows Search, find App Readiness, set to Automatic, Start. Click Apply, OK, Restart service. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer service and Windows Update service. Then go back and try Retry Update installation. If still not working, open CMD as administrator and run the 3 repair scan commands from video description. Wait for each scan to reach 100%. Then restart your computer. Next, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Search KB5077241, download update according to your Windows version, install manually and restart PC. Last step is using Media Creation Tool from Microsoft website. Download tool. Select ISO. Download. Install. Restart PC after installation. One of these steps should fix the issue. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.